Hi folks, thanks for tuning in to JustBetterCars.com. Today we've got a 2016 Chevy Silverado. It's black in color. Looks like we've got new tires all the way around. Brand new. This is a beauty. For a black pickup, very light scratching. Truck is in excellent condition. Most of these black trucks show a lot of scratches and stuff. This one was definitely taken care of inside and out. 67,000 miles. It's black on black. Beautiful truck. And back to the front. Beautiful 2016 Chevy Silverado, 67K on it. Come check us out at JustBetterCars.com or at 916-782-4445. Have an awesome day.